Example 4. Find the horizontal asymptote, if any, of the function f of x equals 60 times 1 plus 0.5x all over 3 plus 0.01x. First definition. The line y equals L is a horizontal asymptote of the graph of a function f for x unbounded in the negative direction if limit as x approach negative infinity. So x approach negative infinity is where f of x is unbounded in the negative direction. So if this limit equals L, and that is a y value, then y equals L is the horizontal asymptote. Also, the line y equals m is a horizontal asymptote for the function f for x unbounded in the positive direction. If the limit as x approach positive infinity, f of x equals m. So basically, to find horizontal asymptote, we need to evaluate two limits. The first one is when x approach negative infinity of the function f of x, which is limit as x approach negative infinity, this function. Now if we plug in x equals negative infinity directly, we get negative infinity divided by negative infinity, so it's inconclusive. So we might do a small transform to see if we can find a breaking point. So the first thing to do is to distribute the 60, okay, to multiply it. So we get 60 times 1, 60, plus 60 times 0.5x is 30x, divided by 3 plus 0.01x. Now we want to use a technique of dividing by the highest power of x, and here is x to the 1 power, so we divide the numerator and the denominator by x. So we get limit as x approach negative infinity, 60 divided by x plus 30x divided by x is 30, 3 divided by x plus 0.01x divided by x is just 0.01. So now we can direct substitute. 60 over negative infinity is 0, plus 30 divided by 3 over negative infinity is also 0, plus 0.01. So this limit is really 3000. Now if we do so what we see is y equals 3000 is a horizontal asymptote for this function. Now how about the limit as x approach positive infinity? So again we transform the function to be 60 plus 30x, 3 plus 0.01x. We use the same technique. We divide by the highest power, which is again x. So 60 over x plus 30 divided by 3 over x plus 0.01. Direct substitution also gives us 3000. Okay, so y equals 3000 again. So the answer to this question is the horizontal asymptote is just y equals 3000. In this case, they're the same.